Senator Ledama Olekina.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there is no doubt that there has been significant progress with the management of Kenyatta National Hospital. Since the new management has been put in place, we know very well that there is a gentleman called Siambe who has even increased the number of surgical beds to 10. And he continues to make progress with service delivery. You know, when you have the largest referral hospital in East Africa, you'll expect a few major problems here and there. But I think what we need to do is to have confidence in our Kenyans. This young Kenyan has been given an opportunity to transform that hospital. So instead of lamenting, the best we can do is to make sure that the national government channels more resources to that hospital, improve on all service delivery. If you've been having a lot of systemic problems, when you bring in a new management, you give them time so that they can be able to go dig deep inside the issues that are affecting the hospital. So the statement by Senator Mtata is good, but it is also important to be able to recognize that there has been a change of shift. There is a new management now. Let us give them an opportunity. Let us support the new management of Kenyatta National Hospital so that we can be able to have some progress. If we are talking about healthcare in general, there are significant problems. In the last 2 years, we have new laws now governing healthcare in this country. There are so many challenges in the SHIF and SHA. You know, so you cannot expect everything to move smoothly. So let's give an opportunity to the new management, and I assure you, we will not be complaining here. We will be actually measuring. I wish you can actually measure where KNH was last year and where it is now. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Matinga Wahome.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I was almost sure you're calling my name as next. Mr. Speaker, as I stand up, I want to start with a note that we as Kenyans must learn to develop operation standards and manuals so that it becomes not pegged on the individual. I want to say this, Mr. Speaker. Siambe, I know him as a good performer, but Mr. Speaker, it is paramount and imperative that we Kenyans divorce our thinking from names and tribes. So long as we have standard operation procedures